This DDR4 motherboard is a PC builder's dream, boasting a plethora of features and a very competitive price that make it stand out in the crowd. The board offers a high-speed rear I/O that doesn't include any outdated USB 2.0 ports. It's ready for the future, with all M2 slots being PCIe Gen 4 compatible and the main GPU slot offering Gen 5 compliance. This means you're all set for the next wave of PCIe 5.0 graphics cards. Also, its industrial aesthetic is a bonus for those who prefer a darker themed PC setup. The motherboard's specifications are impressive. It supports CPU overclocking, has a 16+1 VRM power phase design, and can handle up to 128 gigabytes of DDR4 memory. It offers a variety of PCIe slots, including a x16 PCIe 5.0 slot and multiple PCIe 4.0 slots. The USB connections are plentiful both at the rear and front, and it features a 2.5 gigabit LAN and a Wi-Fi 6 module. The TUF Gaming Z790 Plus Wi-Fi D4 stands out with its unique design that gives your system an industrial edge. It's not just about looks though. The motherboard offers a wealth of connectivity options, particularly for a DDR4 design. The storage support is a standout feature with 4x4 PCIe 4.0 slots for high-speed M2 Ssds, providing ample space for even the most extensive game libraries. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. RGB enthusiasts might be disappointed with the lack of lighting effects on this motherboard. While the design itself is striking enough to set this board apart, those who want to add a splash of color to their build might feel let down. Additionally, while the motherboard is versatile in terms of connectivity, the networking options are somewhat limited to the inclusion of a Wi-Fi 6 module instead of the more powerful Wi-Fi 6E. In conclusion, the ASUS TUF Gaming Z790 Plus Wi-Fi D4 is an excellent choice for mid-range gamers that strikes a balance between performance, connectivity, aesthetics, and price. A few improvements like Wi-Fi 6E and DDR5 support and more RGB can make it even better, but it remains a solid choice for mid-range PC builds. This motherboard is ideal for gamers who prioritize performance and connectivity over aesthetics. However, it might not be the best choice for those who want a motherboard with extensive RGB lighting or the latest Wi-Fi technology. To sum up, what I love is that it's one of the most affordable Z790 motherboards available, striking all-black design across the PCB and abundance of high-speed rear I/O connectors. On the downside, limited RGB lighting, no DDR5 support, and supports Wi-Fi 6 instead of the more advanced Wi-Fi 6E.